These are just ugly. I don't like it. I hate having this carton in my fridge. I don't like it. It's ugly. It's not cute. So I got this egg organizer and I'm super excited. I love organization. I love to be, I think having an organized house makes an organized mind, and I stand by that. I will always stand by that. But this is super cute. As you can see, it's 4 eggs. I do not have this many eggs, but I do have enough to put in here for now until I go get more eggs, because I don't like buying eggs because of the carton, and eggs are expensive. But you get 2 little shelves, and then you get this little clear organizer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you have 20 slots, so 40 different places to put the eggs. All you're gonna do is get your eggs, and I'm gonna put them right here. So I only had a few eggs, but just look, isn't this way better than that ugly little carton? So if you're like me and you love to organize, then this definitely is going to help, and it's going to make your fridge look a lot prettier. I would show you my fridge, but my fridge is a mess. So I am gonna go put these back in my fridge so my eggs do not go bad, but this just makes me wanna go get more eggs because this just looks so much cuter. But now my mind is gonna be more peaceful when I look in my fridge, for now. But you also have little suction cups that you can put on the bottom. I don't need to, but if you wanted to, you definitely could. I really like this, and if you're like me and you like to organize, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.